What's up, Model Techs? Real quick tip here. So I had this mystery misfire going on. So I'm gonna set my multimeter to ohms here. I'm gonna test the spark plug. There's two other tests you can do, but I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna check the center electrode here. Just making sure the inner part of the spark plug is not damaged. In this case, you should have at least 4 to 10,000 ohms, and this one's way out. So yeah, it's done, man. Just scrap it. Get yourself a new spark plug. Get that spark back. You're good to go.